Hello. Today I will show you how to stylize a photo to make it look like a Sin City movie. Here's my reference image. Firstly, I want to show you backstage images of the movie. All the preparations for the shooting are aimed at simplifying the post-production process as much as possible. The whole film was shot with chroma key background, and some objects are painted in colors to distinguish them the most from the whole picture. The main task of the makeup artist here is not to make it look like the end result, but to facilitate the work of a colorist. In the first example, yellow color is made out of blue, and in the second one, white color is made out of red. Therefore, the simplest thing you can do for such kind of shot is to properly lit the people. Contour lighting dominates in the movie. Let's turn to my photo. I will leave the hat red, and I will make the rest in black and white. I will use color grid. I'm selecting the ends of color rays and reducing the saturation to 0. The skin still has color. It is the same shade as the hat, but it has much less saturation. Therefore, I will reduce the saturation of slightly saturated colors. Here's what happened. Now I'm going to increase the saturation in the shadows and make the saturated colors darker with the help of special curves. As a result, I've got a deep red color. Let's compare it to the reference. Please note that the reference has a color shade. When you slightly grade a black and white image, it becomes more appealing. In 3D LUT Creator, the transfer of tinting can be done with just one button. The method I have by default is average, so I just click on Grade button. Done. The only thing left for me is to add some contrast with the help of Master Curve. I'm also dimming red color a little. For complete similarity, you need to add local contrast. You can do it in any photo editor. And that's all. Be sure to pay attention to preparation before shooting. This will greatly facilitate your work afterwards. Like and subscribe to stay tuned. Bye everyone.